Welcome back to another edition of the Cryptosaurus. This is Bitcoin, but this is weekly Bitcoin, not daily. So as you can see, the whole week nothing is happening. A whole lot of sidelines, the whole lot of nothing. Nonetheless, stay tuned because we're gonna do a technical analysis on the weekly chart. And we will use tools that you probably already heard about. We will talk about the possible patterns that Bitcoin is currently forming. If that sounds interesting, stick around. This is our clear chart of Bitcoin, weekly chart of Bitcoin. We will use today a tool that you probably already heard about that is so powerful that will blow your mind. This tool is very good at locating support and resistance levels and where the price will bounce off. This tool is, as you probably know, Fibonacci retracement tool. Now we will do some analysis with Fibonacci and define some most important resistance and support zones for Bitcoin on the weekly chart. So let's go. We will do this and just drag it to the bottom from the top. No biggie. Now, as we did that, I will represent some of the most used levels of support and resistance at Fibonacci, and that is 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6%. The most important level and the level that I respect the most is 61.8% respect. This zone is also called a golden ratio, so there is always a high probability that when the price goes up or down, it will retrace right around that level of support and resistance according to its uptrend on a downtrend. So just by a quick look at this chart, you can clearly see what levels in the past few months the Bitcoin has respected. If you are having trouble with identifying those levels, let me show you. For example, as you can see, this level was a very important support. This level support, and the same is true for the resistance. I want you to see it. What is the most eye-catching resistance on this chart? And that is the resistance that we're going to talk about today. Can you see it? Let me show you. Now you can see it. It's a resistance that is holding Bitcoin for months and months, and is at this moment, according to my opinion, the most important level of resistance that Bitcoin has to surpass. If you pass through this resistance at around 10,200, we are going literally to the moon. Of course, not literally, but up, up, up. If you didn't understand this, let's make it even more clear. Boom. Now you clearly see what is holding us back for months. Regarding to this resistance, and no matter what is the outcome of the price action in the future, I am bullish in any case. If we go up and break this resistance, I'm bullish. If we go down and touch some support, I'm also bullish. And why is that? Now let me introduce you one other pattern that I haven't seen anybody talk about in this space. I'll just need to draw another line of support as it stands out like a clear one. And there it is. Do you see it? With those lines of support and resistance, I drew one of the most popular patterns, and that is the reversal pattern from the current trend. I'm introducing you to head and shoulders pattern. As you see, if this plays out and we go down to approximately 6500, retesting our left shoulder and making the right shoulder, much of people will panic and everyone will be bearish. But that will not be the case with us, because we know that this is a bullish pattern, reversal pattern, and all that is going after this is up, up, up. Of course, our resistance that we talked about at around 10,200, 10,500, that zone, if it's breached, then every line of resistance is less important. This is by far the most important resistance that you will see in the charts, that you need to keep a close eye on. So keep a close eye on this potential pattern. Don't panic if we make the right shoulder. We are still bullish. This analysis is invalidated only if we breach the head, which I don't find very likely. So, if you like this idea, let me know in the comment. Tell me what you think about this golden resistance that is holding us back for months. Tell me, is this possible in your opinion, this head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern? I would like to hear your thoughts. If you wanna future updates, subscribe to the channel, and until the next video, the Cryptosaurus is roaring with you.